question is, do I like a certain subject matter that's for wet on wet? No. It's more of, what did I do the day before? And maybe I can mix it up a little bit. Notice how much of this walkway I incorporated right into the first washes. So we've got all these soft edges. And then I'll do this. I'll show it a little bit more towards the end. I bring it out, but it's all combined right at the beginning here. Now, I was thinking about this morning, probably while I was walking past my microphone here, that remember, there's more ways than just this way to do a painting. This is because I'm assuming that the reason that you're here is because you have seen something in my paintings that you like, or maybe someone might have told you there's some good instruction that might happen here, but there's probably something that you saw in my paintings that you like, and so I'm showing you how I do them. But this is not the only way to paint a watercolor. There's some beautiful paintings out there that are all hard-edged. There's some beautiful paintings that are very neutral in their colors that other artists do. But I'm here to show you how I put these together. But you can take this information and you can run with it and produce your own style of painting. Not everybody that's in my Zoom class is all painting like me. As long as they have good design, then that's all we look for. Once again, I'm going to do the sky at the end. Throw a little bit of the color of the ground into the sky. So I like to push the boundaries of realism and abstraction to where things are just on the edge of abstraction. I really like that. But yet you can still kind of get an idea of what the subject is. I think that abstraction allows the viewer's mind to really relax and go into another world. Maybe more so than straight realism will. But that's just a personal taste of mine. Okay, now I'm going to, good, this is about right. I'm going to put a ladder in here. Little hint of realism in here. There we go. Okay. I don't know what else to do. Let's put the mat on it. Well, that's really pushing the boundaries of abstraction there, or of realism. I'm going to pull out just a few of these piling. There we go. That'll help out. We even have some drips going down here. There we go, that helped out. This is a little too light right here. Well, I felt it was, but I think it went too dark. I felt it was making too much. I was losing the shape of the building, but now I lost kind of an interesting shape there. So probably better to leave it like that. All right, so let's do this. I'm going to draw your eye up here to this part of the painting. Here's a guy. All right, so sometimes you can use this yellow and the red in an opaque way like this, and I would not call this an opaque painting. It's just heavier watercolor. Those are people there. Yeah, that helps out quite a bit.
Against the mat.
Yeah, so maybe it just, I'd be worried it helps to balance it. The reflections underneath. There's another dredge. Oh, get filled. I do abstraction.
Right here? Right here? The piling? Okay. All right. Far enough on it. Okay, so you guys paint away. Now you're all full of sugar.